What is the difference between Afrin and Afrin no drip? No drip formulas come in a pump mist bottle and won't drip down your nose or throat. Nasal sprays come in a squeeze bottle, though you can get Afrin Original as either a pump mist or a spray. Afrin no drip Allergy Sinus 12-hour nasal decongestant pump mist 15 ml. Product details. Afrin no drip Allergy Sinus 12-hour nasal decongestant pump mist reduces swelling of nasal passages for fast, medicated relief from nasal congestion due to colds or allergies. Formulated to start working instantly and last all day, this medicated sinus and allergy nasal spray provides nasal congestion relief from the common cold, hay fever and other upper respiratory allergies. Featuring an easy action pump that delivers instant relief, this no-drip nasal spray allows easier breathing through the nose without unpleasant dripping down the nose or throat. For adults and children 6 to 12 years with adult supervision, 2 or 3 sprays in each nostril deliver severe allergy, nasal and sinus congestion relief for even the most congested nasal passages. Afrin no drip Allergy Sinus 12-hour nasal decongestant pump mist 15 ml. 1 box of 15 ml Afrin no drip Allergy Sinus 12-hour nasal decongestant pump mist. Works instantly to relieve swelling of nasal passages for cold and allergy relief. No drip nasal congestion medicine allows easier breathing through the nose without unpleasant dripping down the nose or throat. Fights nasal congestion to provide 12-hour allergy, nasal and sinus congestion relief. Afrin pump mist bottle is easy to use, delivering instant relief. Afrin is for adults, as well as children 6+. Use as directed, spraying 2 or 3 times into each nostril and do not use for more than 3 days.